Good morning students, this is M. Sneha Bindu, Maths PGT, KGBD, Ponnada, Srikakulam district. Today our topic is circles. A circle is set of points in a plane. Which are at equidistance from a fixed point. The fixed point is called center. Which are at equidistance from a fixed point to any point on a circle is called radius. It is denoted by R. Find the equation of circle with center as origin and radius R. Center as origin. Let us take a point P x comma y on a circle. Already we know that distance from center to a fixed point is called radius R. The distance is PO equals to R. Squaring both sides, PO square equals to R square. Center means P x comma y, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equals to R square. X square plus y square equals to R square. This is the standard form of the standard equation of the circle. The equation of circle with center h comma k and radius as r. Center C. Let us take a point on circle P x comma y and center as h comma k. This is radius r. Therefore, CP equals to r. Squaring both sides, CP square equals to r square. The distance between C to P is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. This is another equation of circle with center h comma k and radius r. The general equation of second degree is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2f1 plus c equals to 0, where a, h, b, g, f and c are real numbers. In order to represent a circle, let us follow this. It has to follow some conditions. That is, a equals to b, but not equals to 0. The second one, h equals to 0. Third one, g square plus f square minus ac is greater than or equals to 0. Let's prove it. Let's assume that equation 1 represents a circle. Let center alpha comma beta and radius r. The circle equation is x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equals to r square. X square minus 2x alpha plus alpha square plus y square minus 2 beta y plus beta square equals to r square. X square plus y square minus 2x alpha minus 2 beta y plus alpha square plus beta square minus r square equals to 0. Let's take it as equation number 2. Compare these two equations. Comparing the coefficients of one and two. X square coefficient is a and 1. A by 1 equals to y square coefficient b by 1. XY coefficient is 0 and x coefficient 2g by minus 2 alpha and y coefficient 2f by minus 2 beta equals to c by alpha square plus beta square minus r square. These two, a equals to b. If a equals to 0, then b equals to 0. Already we know that h equals to 0. A equals to 0, b equals to 0, h equals to 0. Then the equation will not be a second degree equation. Therefore, a equals to b but not equals to 0. So, the first condition is proved. From equation number 3, I am equating these two. A by 1 equals to 2c by minus 2 alpha. 2 will be cancelled. Then alpha equals to g by a minus g by a. And then equating these two. A by 1 equals to 2f by minus 2 beta. 2 cancel. Beta equals to minus f by b. And then I am equating a by 1 equals to c by alpha square plus beta square minus r square. That implies alpha square plus beta square minus r square equals to c by a. Alpha square plus beta square minus c by a equals to r square. The radius r square, so this is equal greater than or equals to 0. LCM. Now substituting the alpha value and beta value in this. Alpha minus g by a whole square, beta minus f by a whole square minus c by a equals to r square is greater than or equals to 0. G square by a square plus f square by a square minus c by a equals to r square. G square plus f square minus ac by a square equals to r square. This is greater than or equals to 0. Therefore, g square plus f square minus ac is greater than or equals to 0. The second condition will be true. Substituting the conditions in the second degree equation, general equation, a equals to b and h equals to 0. Substitute ax square plus 0, it will be 0 plus ay square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. X square by dividing a plus 2g by a x plus 2f by a y plus c by a equals to 0. By adding g square by a square plus f square by a square on both sides, x square plus y square plus 2ga by x plus 2f by a y plus g square by a square plus f square by a square equals to g square by a square plus f square by a square minus c by a. X square plus 2g by a into x plus g square by a square plus y square plus 2f by a into y plus f square by a square equals to g square plus f square minus ac by a square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is x plus g by a whole square plus y plus f by a whole square equals to g square plus f square minus ac by a square. Y minus f by a whole square equals to root over g square plus f square minus ac by a square. This is in the form of circle general equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Equation, the center is hk. In this equation, center is minus g by a and minus f by a. So therefore center is minus g by a comma minus f by a. Radius is r equals to root over g square plus f square minus ac. A square root cancel అయిపోతుంది కాబట్టి ఏగా వేస్తున్నాను. I am going to tell you some important points. If the circle represents first point, the general equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus the general equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Center is minus g comma minus f. Radius or root over g square plus f square minus c. If radius equals to 0, then the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0 is a point circle. The center itself as a circle. Better it will be called as a point circle. If the equation of circle passes through origin so 0, it becomes x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus c equals to 0. Then plus c equals to 0. This is in the form of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy c 0. Then it becomes the equation will be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy equals to 0. The equation of circle having center on x-axis, then the y coordinate will be 0. Y coordinate 0. Therefore, the equation in the form of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c equals to 0. Similarly, the equation of circle having center on y-axis, the x coordinate will be 0. Therefore, the equation is in the form of x square plus y square plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Let us learn about concentric circles. Two or more circles are said to be concentric if their center is same, but radius is differ from every circle. This is center, radius are R1, R2, R2. The concentric circles are differ by, the equations of concentric circles are differ by constant only. They are x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. The concentric circle of this circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c dash equals to 0. Next one, unit circle. If the radius of circle is 1, then it is called as unit circle. Let us solve the examples. Find the equation of circle with center 1, 4 and radius 5. Here HK is 1, 4, R is 5. H, K equals to 1, 4, radius R equals to 5. The general equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Substitute the values in this equation. Then x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equals to 5 square. A minus b whole square. So x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 8y plus 16 equals to 25. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 8y and 1 plus 16 plus 17 minus 25 equals to 0. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 8y minus 25 minus 17, 8. equals to 0. This is the equation of circle. Once again I explain this one. Listen carefully. Find the equation of circle with center 1, 4 and radius 5. Here HK is center is HK, then 1, 4. Radius R equals to 5. The equation of general equation of circle enti manaki x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Then substitute the values in this equation. X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equals to r square. That means 5 square. X square minus 2 into 1 into x, 2x plus 1 square means 1 plus y square minus 2 into 4 into 1, 8y plus 4 square, 16 equals to 5 square, 25. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 8y, 16 plus 1, 17, 25 becomes minus 25 equals to 0. Therefore, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 8y minus 8 equals to 0. This is the equation of circle, which is at center 1, 4 and radius 5. Example, find the center and radius of the circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 4 equals to 0. Comparing the equation with general equation x square, let x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 4 equals to 0. Comparing this equation to general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Comparing the terms x coefficient and y coefficient and constant. Therefore, 2g equals to 2. That implies z equals to 2 by 2, that equals to 1. And y coefficient, 2f equals to minus 4. F equals to minus 4 by 2. F equals to minus 2. And then constant, c equals to minus 4. Here center minus z comma minus f, that equals to minus g means minus 1 comma minus of minus plus 2 అయిపోతుంది. So center is minus 1 comma 2. Radius equals to root over z square plus f square minus c, that equals to root over g square means 1 square plus f square means minus 2 whole square minus c means minus of minus plus 4. It equals to root over 1 plus minus 2 square means 4 plus 4. That equals to root 9 equals to 3. Therefore, radius equals to 3 and center is minus 1 comma 2. This is the another example. Another example, find the center and radius of the circle 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 4 equals to 0. First we have to change this equation into general equation. So x coefficient, y coefficients will be divided with 3. Sorry, x square coefficient and y square coefficient should be 1. So the equation should be divided with 3. Then the equation should be converted into x square plus y square 3x square 3y square by 3 minus 6x by 3 plus 4y by 3 minus 4 by 3 equals to 0. Implies x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4 by 3y minus 4 by 3 equals to 0. It's look like x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So comparing the terms x coefficient and y coefficients. So 2g equals to, comparing these two terms, minus 2. Z equals to minus 2 by 2, that equals to minus 1. Y coefficients. 2f equals to 4 by 3. F equals to 4 by 3 into 2. That implies F equals to 2 by 3. And constant C equals to minus 4 by 3. Therefore, center equals to minus Z comma minus F. That equals to minus of minus plus 1 comma minus 2 by 3. Radius equals to root over g square plus f square minus c equals to root over g square means 1 square plus f square means minus 2 by plus 2 by 3 whole square minus of minus plus 4 by 3. That equals to root over 1 plus 2 2s are 4 by 3 3s are 9 plus 4 by 3. Radius r equals to root over LCM 9 plus 4 plus 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. That equals to root over 12 plus 4 16 plus 9 25 by 9. That equals to 5 by 3. This is radius. Find the equation of circle whose center is minus 1 comma 2 and which passes through five comma 6. Find the equation of circle whose center is minus 1 comma 2. Center C minus 1 comma 2. Given. And which passes through 5 comma 6. This is circle with center C minus 1 comma 2 and which passes through point 5 comma 6. We already know that which is the distance between center to a point on a circle is radius. So we have to find the radius equals to center C and this point P. Distance between these two points. So we have to find the radius of circle. Squaring both sides, r square equals to c square. We have to find the c minus 1 comma 2, p point 5 comma 6, minus 1 comma minus 5 whole square plus 2 minus 6 whole square. That equals to minus 6 whole square plus minus 4 whole square. 36 plus 16, 52. Radius r square equals to 52. To find the equation of circle, find the equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. This is h comma k. So we have to substitute the values in this equation. X, h means minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 whole square plus y minus k value 2 whole square equals to r square 52. X square plus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 minus 52 equals to 0. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y 1 plus 4 5 minus 52. That means minus 47 equals to 0. This is the equation of a circle. Another example. Find the equation of the circle passing through 2, 3 and concentric with the circle x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 equals to 0. The concentric circle equation is, already we know that concentric circle equation is x square. Circle equation is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y. It's differ by constant only. So c dash equals to 0. The concentric circle passes through 2, 3. So substitute the values 2, 3 in this equation. We have to 2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 8 into 2 plus 12 into 3 plus c dash equals to 0. 4 plus 3 is 9 plus 8 is 16 plus 12 is 36 plus c dash equals to 0. 4, 9, 13, 13 plus 16, 29, 29 plus 36, 65. 65 plus c dash equals to 0. C dash equals to minus 65. Therefore, the required circle equation is, substitute this, x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y minus 65 equals to 0. This is the concentric circle equation. Once again I will explain. Concentric means which is differ from constant only and same center. So this equation, concentric circle passes through 2, 3. This equation, the concentric circle equation is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus c dash equals to 0. This equation passes through 2, 3. So substitute 2, 3 in this equation, then we get c dash equals to minus 65. Therefore, substitute this c dash in this equation, then we get the circle equation x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y minus 65 equals to 0. Another example. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 4, 1 and 6, 5 and having the center on the line 4x plus y minus 16 equals to 0. Let the general equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. This circle passes through 4, 1 and 6, 5. Then we get substitute 4, 1 in this circle equation. Passes through equation 1, we get 4 is a 16 plus 1 plus 2g 4 plus 2f into 1 plus c equals to 0. 17 plus 8z plus 2f plus c equals to 0. 8g plus 2f plus c equals to minus 17. This is equation number 2. 6, 5 passes through equation 1, we get 36, 6 6 are 36 plus 5 5 is 25 plus 2g into 6 plus 2f into 5 plus c equals to 0. 36 plus 25, 50, 61 plus 2 6 are 12z plus 2 5 is 10f plus c equals to 0. 12g plus 10f plus c equals to minus 61. This is equation number 3. And center. This equation center is minus g comma minus f. Minus g comma minus f passes through this line, on this line. Now we get center minus g comma minus f passes through 4x plus y minus 16 equals to 0. We get 4 into minus c plus minus f minus 16 equals to 0. Minus 4z minus f minus 16 equals to 0. This is equation number 4. Follow the equation number 2, 3 and 4. We get the values of z and c. From equations 2 and 3, equation 2 minus equation 3, we get 8z plus 2f plus c equals to minus 17. 12z plus 10f plus c equals to minus 61. Minus plus. 8 minus 12 minus 4z. 2 minus 10 minus 8f. cc will be cancelled. 61 minus 17. 17 plus 44. This will be cancelled by 2. 4. This is equation number 5. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We get minus 4z minus f minus 16 equals to 0. Minus 4z minus 8f minus 44 equals to 0. Plus. 8 minus f, 7f plus 44 minus 16, 8 equals to 0. 7, f equals to minus 28, f equals to minus 28 by 7, that equals to minus 4. Equation 5, minus 4z minus 8f minus 44 equals to 0. So will be cancelled by minus 4. Z plus 2f plus 11 equals to 0. Put f value in this equation. We get z minus 2 into plus minus 28 by 7, sorry, 4 plus 11 equals to 0. Z minus 8 plus 11 equals to 0. Z 11 minus 8, 3 plus 3 equals to 0. That implies z equals to minus 3. Value and f value in equation number 2. Put c comma f in equation 2. We get 8z plus 2f plus c equals to minus 17. That implies 8 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 4 plus c equals to minus 17. 8 3 is a minus 24. Minus 8 plus c equals to minus 17. Minus 24 minus 8 minus 32 plus c equals to minus 17. C equals to minus 17 plus 32 times c equals to 15. Substitute the g value, f value and c value in the general equation. We get the circle equation. Substitute z comma f and c values in equation 1. We get x square plus y square plus 2 into z value minus 3 into x plus 2 into f value minus 4 into 1 plus c value 15 equals to 0. It implies x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 equals to 0. This is the equation of the circle. If the circle x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 equals to 0 has the center at 2, 3, then find a, b and radius of the circle. Given circle equation is x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 equals to 0. Comparing the general equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Comparing terms, comparing like terms, 2g equals to a, 2f equals to b, c equals to minus 12, z equals to a by 2, f equals to b by 2. Therefore, center minus z comma minus f, that equals to minus a by 2 comma minus b by 2. Given center is 2, 3. These two are equal. Therefore, minus a by 2 comma minus b by 2 equals to 2, 3. Minus a by 2 equals to 2, minus b by 2 equals to 3. That implies minus a equals to 4, a equals to minus 4. Minus b equals to 6, b equals to minus 6. And radius r equals to root over g square plus f square minus c. R equals to, Here z equals to a by 2. C equals to a by 2. A value minus 4 by 2, that equals to minus 2. F equals to b by 2, that equals to b value minus 6 by 2, that equals to minus 3. Substitute these values in radius. R equals to root over z square minus 2 whole square plus minus 3 whole square minus c value minus 12 minus of minus plus 12 equals to root over 2 2s are 4 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 12 13 plus 12 25, that equals to 5. Radius equals to 5. So the values of a equals to minus 4, b equals to minus 6 and radius r equals to 5. Tomorrow we discuss the remaining topics. Thank you.